In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can reapply on the Diversity Visa Lottery. Reapplying for the Diversity Visa Lottery is crucial because each year is a new opportunity to participate, increasing your chances of being selected. Plus, circumstances change, such as eligibility requirements or personal circumstances, so it's important to stay engaged in the process. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in DV Lottery. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to select on this first website called Electronic Diversity Visa. It's just under the U.S. Department of State Government. On this page, since entries are not accepted at the time of recording this video, fake website will never show this. So this clearly shows you that it's a legit and official website for the DV Lottery program. The official opening is always in the month of October. Make sure to participate as you may stand a chance to win this time round. That's how easy it is to reapply for the DV Lottery program. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.